Okay, we're getting ready to install some wiggle wire and channels to hold our plastic on. As you can see, we used PVC clips that I made initially. Even though the plastic companies say don't use that, it is not a great idea because it does not work as good as it looks on TV. So we got some wiggle wire, and because of how much flex there is here, and the clips start coming off the bottom and the middle piece here, because we got two pieces here, there's two pieces of plastic here, we're gonna install wiggle wire, which looks to be far superior. Okay, I've marked out the holes and are pre-drilling. I'm going to put the holes, the screws to mount them, about every foot, 16 inches roughly. Pre-drill them, and I got self-tapping screws to go in the pipe on the bottom. Okay, there's a mounting strip installed on the bottom of the greenhouse, and I'm going to roll the plastic down and install the wiggle wire next. I guess it's going to work. So we're putting the wiggle wire on, and I got Vicky helping hold it. A little tension on the plastic, and I'm putting the wiggle wire in the channel. Very easy to do, and it tightens up as you go. It does require a little bit of strength on your fingertips, but not too bad. Just anybody can do it until you get to that last part. There. Alrighty, and we'll grab another one and start another one. Okay, I got the channel mounted to the 3/4 inch EMT electrical conduit. That's my side support brace. That all mounted, getting ready to hang the bottom and the top sleeve together and tighten up our greenhouse. Got to get your tongue just right doing this job. Down and away.
He told us in Trailer Trash yesterday he likes to bring candles and pillowcases and whatever from home to make the bus feel more like home on the road. It's Thomas Rhett. It's T-shirt. It's Highway 98 Country.
Okay, there we have it. Got the wiggle wire on, top and bottom, and the other end, this end, I'm still using the piece of wood, but I can upgrade that and put wiggle wire on it some other time, but we're running out of daylight. So we'll call it good. And you can see how much tighter that is with the wiggle wire. It goes on real easy. The channels are, you know, a little bit of work to put on, but the end result is far better than what we had. And don't use the PVC clips. They're cheap and easy, but they will cut your plastic, and you'll end up having to do something else eventually anyway.